Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Academic Outreach for Kids. In today's video, we are focusing on imaginary and complex numbers. For our first example, we have to simplify the square root of negative 36. In order to simplify this, we must recognize that the square root of negative 36 is simply the square root of, in parentheses, negative 1 times 36. Now, we can simply split the square root, and we get the square root of negative 1 times the square root of negative 36. And we can use the rule that the square root of negative 1 is always equal to 1 imaginary unit. Therefore, the square root of 36 is equal to 6. So when we combine this, we get the square root of negative 36 is equal to 6 imaginary units. For our next example, we have 3 plus 2i plus 5 minus 7i. First, we have to add all the real numbers. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Next, we have to add the imaginary parts. So 2i minus 7i is equal to negative 5i. Therefore, by combining these, we get 3 plus 2i plus 5 minus 7i is equal to 8 minus 5i. For our final example, we have 4 plus 3i multiplied by 2 minus 5i. In order to solve this, we must use the FOIL method. First, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Next, 4 times negative 5i is equal to negative 20i. Thereafter, 3i times 2 is equal to 6i. And finally, 3i times negative 5i is equal to negative 15i squared. Next, we can simply simplify that negative 15i squared is simply equal to positive 15. Furthermore, we can combine like terms. 8 plus 15 is equal to 23, and negative 20i plus 6i is equal to negative 14i. Therefore, we have that 4 plus 3i multiplied by 2 minus 5i is equal to 23 minus 14i. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to be tuned for more educational videos.